Alright, we're ready for our next test on the dyno of our SE110 Softail. What we've done is we've done a full service using our box of lube, available at boxoflube.com. Synthetic oil treatment, we use a K&N oil filter. Let's graph it and see if we've got a gain. I predict we'll see a gain in torque. That's generally what we run into. So we've got the K&N air charger breather on it right now. Stock pipes though, no tuning. NGK spark plugs, now the box of lube, synthetic oil treatment, and a K&N oil. Switch screens here because I need to add one more run back in. Alright, what we're looking at is the red here. So we actually did gain some torque. Run number 4 is where we left off after putting the breather on, 74.8 horse and 95.5 foot-pounds of torque. We're now at 78.67, the red over the brown, and 97.3 peak torque. Each and every little step, folks. Here's your torque curve. All stock, NGK spark plugs, K&N replacement filter, K&N air charger, and then a simple synthetic oil change with a K&N171 oil filter. We send those boxes out pre-packaged with exactly the right amount of lubricants. In this bike's case, we used the Lucas oil in it. I think that's a substantial gain. Now we're going to go ahead and start getting into the hard parts. Our next step is going to be to put a set of Reinhardt crossback pipes on it. They're a multi-step pipe. We'll test it in a minute.